Hi guys, I am Ajay. In this video we'll see how to install the needles and power your Clorapo Octex wall clock. In the box you will find a needle box, 12 volt 2 amperes adapter, one AA battery, and of course the Clorapo Octex wall clock. Let's break this video in two parts. Part 1 includes the needle installation and part 2 includes the power supply. Take out the needles from the needle box provided. Place them on the table as shown. Make sure the circular bulge faces the table's surface. Note that the needles are placed in the right order. Pick the short needle or R hand. With needle tip pointing at 12 o'clock or the fourth letter R of the Clorapo logo, gently press the needle down the shaft. Similarly, push the minute hand next. And seconds hand at the top. Make sure that all the needles do not touch each other. Now let's move to the second part of the video. We need to power two things. One is the built-in LEDs, two is the clock movement. The provided 12 volt adapter protects the clock from high voltages, short circuit, anti-static, and so on. There are two sockets provided, one at the top and the other at the bottom of the clock. Use any one of the sockets to insert the adapter pin to power the LED lighting. Now we have to power the clock movement. Turn your clock around and insert the provided AA battery in its holder. So you have installed the needles, powered the built-in LEDs, powered the clock movement. Great. Here's the last step. Using your index finger, turn the minute hand or long needle clockwise or anti-clockwise till your preferred time. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled the Clorapo Octex wall clock. Thank you.